So the other day, as reported by REALAF, Andy Frisella, they passed the Laken Riley Act, right? And that is the act that, they can detain illegal aliens for certain reasons until they kick their ass out of the country. Hallelujah. But did you know 170 Democrats voted against that act? And the ones that voted against the act are the ones that are identified as wanting to replace the American dream, the American individual, the American children, the American grandchildren, because they want to control them and they want to influx the population and influence them to vote for them so they can continue to rape the United States of its money, launder it, and put it in their pockets, and then point the finger at somebody else, all the while speaking about freedom. It's like prosperity preaching, right? I believe in a little prosperity preaching, but I believe there's going to be a lot of people that burn in hell because they didn't hear the truth in the church. You got to have a little prosperity, and then you got to have the truth, right? And the truth is, those 170 Democrats ain't worth fucking killing. Slowly. Right? The fact that a little American girl was killed by an illegal alien, and the president don't even know how to pronounce her name or give her a phone call, and then acts like he does something about the border, and 170 of his constituents, weirdo, spoon-fed, welfare motherfuckers that can't do nothing right, wouldn't make it in the real world, but sit up there on that Capitol Hill and soak in American taxpayers' money. Listen, bitches, you're the biggest ones in welfare. You call it Congress. That's all you do is spoon-feed yourself and live off everybody else. And we're fed the fuck up. I know I am. Forgive my language. For real. Sometimes a little anger's good, ain't it? Hallelujah. Yeah, you're the biggest recipient of welfare, Congress. Because without us, you would never fucking make it. And I'm ready to elect some blue-collar, felon, hardworking businessmen that have made some mistakes, got a little integrity and liberty about themselves and help folks, and don't want to take nobody's money and put them in office. To hell with all you bureaucratic sons of bitches. Y'all can jump off a cliff. Fluid English.